Hello, my name is Roderick Irby, and today I'll be presenting my executive summary on a brain-wide map of neural activity during complex behavior, a 2025 Nature study. This work ties directly to the National Academy of Engineering's grand challenge to reverse engineer the brain. The brain is the most complex system we know of. It runs on about 20 watts, roughly the power of a light bulb, yet it produces memory, thoughts, and action. Cracking this code has enormous potential for medicine, computing, and human machine collaboration. For decades, neuroscientists focus on isolated regions, like studying one blade of a jet engine to explain the whole machine. What was missing was a systems level view, seeing the entire brain in action during real behavior. This study solved that gap by coordinating 12 laboratories under one protocol. They trained mice to sense, decide, and act while recording brain activity in a standardized way. This collaboration created the largest shared dataset in systems neuroscience. The breakthrough came from NeuralPixels probes, slender, high-density electrodes capable of recording thousands of neurons at once. In total, 699 probes were implanted across 139 mice, capturing activities from 621,000 neurons, spanning 279 brains. Four findings stood out. First, vision signals were broadcast widely, not just confined to the visual cortex. Second, decision-making was distributed across the midbrain and hindbrain, not one control center. Third, motor preparation involved nearly the entire brain. And fourth, reward signals echoed across multiple regions, shaping circuits globally. These insights matter for engineering. Brain-computer interfaces can target more regions, improving reliability. Neuromorphic computing can model distributed networks instead of centralized CPUs. And in medicine, therapies may be more effective when aimed at systems rather than single brain areas. Another lesson was collaboration. Just as the brain functions as a distributed system, progress in neuroscience accelerated when 12 labs worked together with shared standards and data. The structure of the project mirrored the structure of the brain itself. In conclusion, this study produced the first near whole brain activity map during complex behavior. It revealed the brain as a distributed system and moved us closer to the grand challenge of reverse engineering the brain. Future progress will depend on both advanced tools and continued collaboration.